Welcome to your new EMT-021 thermometer. Let's get you started. To take the temperature, press the on-off button. Your last measured temperature is displayed with the M indicator. When the Celsius-Fahrenheit indicator blinks, the thermometer is ready for use. Next, apply the thermometer to your mouth. The Celsius-Fahrenheit indicator symbol will blink during measurement. Normally it takes 25 to 45 seconds and you will hear a beep, beep, beep. Need to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit? Press and hold the on-off button for 3 seconds while the thermometer is off. Then turn the thermometer off and back on for measurement. The battery needs to be replaced when you see the low battery symbol flashing. To replace the battery, push and slide the battery cover away from the unit. Make sure to place the new battery in correctly and to securely close the compartment. Thank you for purchasing Easy at Home.